This is my garden right now, with full of green chilies, abundance green chilies, the spicy green chilies which we all love, and I have the jalapenos, and I also have banana peppers, green ones, red ones too here. So here are all the chilies from my garden I just plucked. I have the spicy green ones, very dark green. I have the normal green chilies, jalapenos, banana peppers, the green ones, and also the red ones. It's not sweet, but it's just standard red. And I'm using all these chilies to make thecha. You need a cast iron pan for this. Make it hot and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add all the chilies. Cast iron pan, roasting in a cast iron pan makes it smoky and delicious. And just add all the chilies, keep stirring it until it blisters and turns a little bit brown. Thecha is a condiment that is made out of chilies and which is pounded. That's what it exactly means, and it can be eaten with anything, especially it's eaten with the gluten-free rotis. Since I had so many chilies and variety of chilies, I thought that would be the perfect recipe. You can see the chilies are nicely smoking and roasted, so I'm taking out all the small green chilies because it's roasted already, and the bigger ones will take a little bit more time, just 2 to 3 more minutes. Keep turning it, keep rotating it so it gets smoky and nicely roasted. Make some space in the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and a 1/4 cup of garlic, peeled one, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them also roast. Keep them stirring until they also turn a light brown. Thecha is usually made with small green chilies. It's very spicier. I used all the peppers from my garden so I could use it efficiently, and all these peppers, when added, they give a nice body itself to the thecha, and so people who cannot handle too much spice can also eat it. And also I'll get to finish all the peppers from my garden. So my peppers all roasted. Now let us cool it for some time. All the ingredients have been cooled now, so we take a mortar pestle and start pounding all the chilies. So thecha literally means pounded chilies. That's what it means. So we'll start pounding them. Before that, we add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts and we start pounding. After pounding halfway, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and continue to pound until you feel it coarsely pounded.